Hi, my name is István Rajna. I am Group Product Manager at Dremel. I'm here to show you some hints and tips on our accessories. As you know, Dremel has a lot of different accessories allowing you to do all kinds of different applications from cutting to sanding, routing, cleaning and polishing. We have 5 different mandrels and each of them are supporting a certain accessory in its work. Let me start with the cutting discs. As you can see here on the table, we have 2 different types of discs. Some of them are equipped with a simple hole in the middle, whereas the others come with a different interface. The ones with a simple hole inside should be used with our standard mandrel. This one will require you to use also a wrench. If you want to use something quicker and easier, I would recommend you to go for the speed click accessories. These can be used with our easy speed click mandrel, which allows you to change the discs very quickly and very simply without the key. When it comes to sanding, we also offer different mandrels. In the sanding category, today we have 2 different mandrels. One of them is a conventional one, where you would want to use a wrench in order to remove and put accessories on the mandrel. And also we have a speed click version of this one, where you can change the sanding bands without any wrenches. We have a so-called polishing mandrel in our range, and this one is actually super easy to use because all you need to do is taking one of our polishing accessories and you just have to screw it on it. When you are using or working with these accessories, make sure that they are always tight. To tighten them, you can use the easy twist nose cap, which is actually a wrench integrated into the nose of the tool, allowing you to tighten and loosen accessories very easily. So this means that you have your key always on your tool and you will never lose it. To sum it up, we have more than 100 different accessories. If you are a user who is not working with Dremel very often, or your projects do not require accessory changes regularly, then I would recommend you to stick to the conventional accessories. However, if you are looking for something more convenient or your project requires a lot of accessory changes, then I would definitely recommend you to step up to our speed click accessory mandrels. Thank you for watching.